I'm at the Golden Swan Restaurant, one of the favorite restaurants here in East Vancouver. So today is a few days before Chinese New Year. So let's go in and check it out. This is the Durian fruit, the Stinky fruit. So this is the first time I've had it here at the Golden Swan. So you see the texture of the pastry. So this is a Durian fruit pastry. Look at that, look at that. So it's a light, crisp pastry. The way they weave it adds to the texture. So they got the durian fruit and a nice cream sauce. Ooh, it's ever tasty. So it's really tasty. It's like a custard with a durian fruit. You gotta try this. So this is Chinese New Year. Wishing everyone a happy Chinese New Year. And
Chinese New Year.
oh, so this may be just a special item for New Year's. Or maybe a year-round item. I'm not sure. Phải mà? Phải mà? So there's no stink in this durian fruit. So if you have it in Asia, they won't sometimes allow you to bring it to your hotel room because once the heat and humidity gets into the durian, it just totally stinks. But here, it's not a problem. That's a yummy, yummy durian pastry. So these are the seafood salad rolls. So it's got the seafood, it probably has a mayonnaise. So that's popular dish. When you put it into the egg rolls, it's gonna be fabulous. It's gonna be tasty. So look at these. This is the seafood with the mayonnaise sauce. Look at that, look at that. Ooh, man, I've never had these before, first time. So it's got a lot of the sauce just oozing out of there. It's got the real nice mayonnaise sauce with seafood. It's got some fruit in there. You gotta try this. This is the Golden Swan Special Chow Mein. Oh, look at that, look at that. So this dish is one of my favorite, Special Chow Mein. So you have the Chinese mushrooms, you got the pork, the chicken, you got some nice juicy prawns. Look at that, look at that. And you got big squid. Look at the squid. And then you got barbecue pork. So the barbecue pork looks really nice and fresh. You got big scallops. So when you get scallops, that's a good sign of a nice special chow mein. And then you have the noodles itself. So you got lots of juicy noodles. So these noodles are nice and crispy. Look at that, crispy noodles. So the noodles are crispy. So the sauce is infused into the noodles. The reckless inflationary spending by Justin Trudeau. Right now, a lot of people are not coming for dim sum, not eating out a lot. So if your mortgage goes up by $1,000, $2,000 a month, that money would have been used for enjoying a dinner, enjoying dim sum. So if you vote for Trudeau, you're going to get more reckless spending. So I'm saying, make sure you think about who you're voting for. Ni tin na ulo, macam ni chung ni so lai. Chung uyi tin lang tin yi gengi. Ni mong yam cha ga lo. Ni ban tin na ulo tu ma da. Huh? So my mom's gonna try the seafood salad roll.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Lụng đĩa nào mà? Lụng đĩa đó.
Oh, lùng hay. So the Year of the Dragon, I'd like to wish everyone happy Chinese New Year. Year of the Dragon.
Today, I'm doing my version of Special Chow Mein. Compared to a Chinese restaurant, you get twice the toppings, twice the veggies, and 3 times the noodles. To start, bring a pot of water to a boil. Here I have 2 pounds or 908 grams of fresh chow mein noodles. You can also use the dry packaged noodles if you like. For these noodles, you only need to boil them for 1 to 2 minutes. Give these noodles a quick rinse under cold water to stop the cooking and also to get rid of some of the starches. Preheat a pan at medium to high heat and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. I like to use peanut oil. Cook the noodles to the amount of crispiness that you like. Add more cooking oil as required. For this amount of noodles, I like to use 2 frying pans. I like to serve these noodles in one big tray for nicer presentation. For this recipe, we're using a Chinese vegetable called bok choy. So just first cut off the bottom of the bok choy. The stalks can be easily pulled apart, or you can cut it in half lengthwise. This bok choy vegetable only takes 30 to 60 seconds to cook. I like to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil, just to shine up the veggies. After you finish arranging the veggies around the noodles, you're ready for the next step. Preheat a wok or a pan at medium to medium-high heat. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Here I'm using peanut oil. So now you add 4 to 6 ounces of sliced chicken. And at this time, turn on the heat to high. And then add the whole tiger prawns. The tiger prawns cook very quickly. So let it sear for a few seconds. And then give the ingredients a quick stir fry. I soaked some whole Chinese mushrooms for at least 1 hour. So do that beforehand and just add the whole mushrooms to the wok. At this time you can add other ingredients. Here I have some sliced onions. Add some salt if you like. Here I'm adding half a teaspoon of sea salt. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, also known as regular soy sauce. To make the sauce, add 3/4 to 1 cup of chicken broth, or use water if you don't have it. Bring the sauce to a boil and then add a solution of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/3 of a cup of water. Depending on how thick the sauce you like, you may need to add more or less of the cornstarch solution. There you have it, my version of Special Chow Mein. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.